have the best fries.
What's going on, BB fam?
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Bril. I'm back with another banger. We for the see who have the best fries. McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, Arby's. Man, I'm trying to see who have the best fries, man. So this is what we doing today, man. We'll be going down 29 and try all the fries. Well, not all the fries, some of the restaurant fries. Cause hey, there's too many restaurants that we got. We might have to do 2 videos for this one, man. Hey, I ain't gonna hold y'all too long, man. So let's go and get into this banger, man. Let's get it. Hey man, we at Sunny's right now, man. We're finna get these Sunny fries right now. Come on over there with me. Drinking her juice pop. Hey, we finna try Sunny fries, man. Hey, let's get it, let's go.
Let's fix them, cause they just don't care about how they give you the fries. Like fries falling out the thing.
Bro, you got more.
So y'all,
more, bro. Yeah,
these
man,
are the Sunny fries.
Bro, you got more than me, bro. Look at that.
These are the Sunny fries, and
what you think? What you think they're gonna be for you?
First of all, we just
gonna rate them 1 through 10.
We just gonna go back to like how they gave us the fries. First of all, they gave us the fries. They feel like it looked like they just jumping them up in the thing.
Bro, we ain't talking about that. We trying to rate the fries, bro. We rating fries. What you think they gonna be?
From the look of it, they kind of look like Chicken's fries. Y'all ever ate Chicken's fries? They look like Chicken's fries.
Look at that. Sunny fries.
They good.
Yep. That's great. What you doing?
That night it was kind of cold.
It was cold.
Yeah, it was kind of cold. Look close on how they look.
Rate them sound.
You know what I'm saying?
On to the next fry, man. Let's get it. Yeah, we got a good light right here, man. Hey. Yeah,
we got Burger King fries, yeah.
Big fry, man.
They hot. They fresh, unlike Sunny
fries. Yeah, them Sunny fries ain't even fresh. Before you eat them, what you got? 1 through 10. 1 through 10. What you rate these? 1 through 10. Burger King fries.
From the look, they look kind of good, you know.
Let me see.
They fresh.
That's so thick though, bruh. I don't really like Burger King fries for real, y'all. So
too hot.
Too hot. Don't you want the fry hot, not cold?
Hot. Too hot.
Anyway, Burger King fries just plain too though. Like got no salt on them. They got salt on them. Yeah, I'm feeling. You can't taste the salt. That fry good sometimes. I give them.
They good day.
I give it a 7.
Yeah.
I don't really like a fry for real, I give it a 7 though, but Burger King got a 7 for me, bro. I don't really like it, bro. If you like them though. One thing about it, they so thick though, that's why I don't like them. Don't eat them while they ain't fresh. You have to get some drink for real when they fresh, when they ain't fresh. It be so thick and dry and cold. Sorry, Burger King, but that's good though. A little bit.
Yeah, that's good.
What you give? What is it?
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10? Yeah, I gave it 7 out of 10 too. That's good though. I said they fresh. Oh, they good. But don't come here. Don't come to Burger King when they ain't fresh. I swear to God, you're gonna be disappointed.
Nighttime.
God. On to the next restaurant, man. Let's get it. Is it? Had to get something to drink, bro. The fry got dry. But y'all see we went to, got Wendy's. Man. They like sea salt fries. You think they good, bro?
They hot.
Woo! Hey, bro, this is our second time getting fresh fries, man. Shout out to Burger King and Wendy's, bro, for real. These more fresh, can't even. Woo. They good? get jiggy, bro. I don't care how hurt they are. I can't get real. They ain't good either.
I'm like, that good. I just don't like these. That right there. On this fry.
It's sea salt fry,
I don't like
bro.
it. I don't like it on this fry. And Wendy fry, I always had it on it.
It's plain though. Like, I don't even take that for real.
Don't litter.
What you get?
Don't litter.
What you get these, bro? They fresh and everything. You get a buck. They fresh and everything. What you get? These ain't that. These ain't that.
Oh yeah, these are 6 out of 10.
Yeah, I gotta get these a 6 too. Right. Nah, y'all, they gotta get a 6. I don't like them, bro. See how they smell. One thing about it, they fresh though. These more fresh.
Like crunchy?
Got him. I gotta get these to sit though. I'm not even gonna eat them all. Look at the fruit mug.
This fry right here don't got it on it.
It was cut different. It cut different. One thing about it, they got the bed drink. I mean, on to the next restaurant. Comment below where we going next.
This fry saggy.
Bro, they be too greasy though. Got the jack fries, y'all can see, man. Fresh again, my guy.
All that salt.
Yeah, they be having too much salt on, like. What kind of salt be that? You know what they smell like?
Green?
No, they
It's
smell
like
like
green meat. What it smell like?
smell like popcorn, bro. Smell like popcorn though.
That salt do. What they put popcorn seasoning on these fry?
It smell like that popcorn grease though.
I don't like these fries.
These ain't there. They taste like they undone.
They're too soft. Well, the one I just ate was too soft.
They taste like they undone.
It's too much seasoning on it. I can't do it.
Who's good at?
And it's a no for me.
Who's good at?
I give it like 4 out of 10.
4? I gotta get him
At least that was fresh.
I gotta give him 3 jacks. Jacks, you get a 3 from me, bro. They ain't even crunchy. They soft though. I can't do the jack fry, y'all. Come on, I didn't eat none of it.
I bit one.
Sure, chow down on them, bro. Kamari gave him, what you give him? 4? I gotta give him 3, man. Jacks, y'all was not it, bro. Like, Jacks. Y'all not it, Jacks. Hey, man, we on to the next fry, man. Let's go. I said they gonna be the best one out the pack. I see all them fry back there, man. They finna go in the trash. We got Arby curly fries, man. Let me see.
Fresh?
Fresh again, bro. I'm telling you.
Crunchy? Not salty, but like, you know, good flavor.
Yeah. Ooh. It's great though. Ain't all that. What you think?
I'll get them 8 out of 10.
8? You sure these are 8? These Arby curly fries are 8. Out of all the ones we had, you gonna get Arby the high one. I'm not. I gotta give them a 7, bro. I gotta give these a 7. I gotta give these a 7 though. They ain't here. I don't know, bro. These fries ain't him. Ain't him? Gotta be hitting you. You going crazy.
I think I'm about like.
I'm just saying, you going crazy. I gotta get these a 7 though, man. They ain't half. I don't know, they ain't half. Look, she give him 8.
What you rate?
I already said, I give them 7, bro. They ain't hitting me for real. I'm not even finna eat either. All them trash fried, bro.
I like this.
And these other fries finna go in the trash too. Out of all the fries we had, what one better to you?
Arby's.
Arby's? Well, of course, you give them 8 out of 10. I wanna say to me, all the fries we had, I wanna say Burger King. I give mine to Burger King, bro. Arby's fries, they went ham. Sunny, they went ham. Wendy's, they went ham. So I gotta give mine to Burger King, bro. Burger King, you got the best fries. All the fries we gonna have today, Burger King, you had the best fries, man. We'll be doing the part 2 though.
Comment below wet fries y'all think the best.
Yeah, comment below wet fries y'all think the best. Hey, we ain't leaving out nobody. We're doing the part 2. Hey, let's get it, let's go.